Yo, what's going on guys, I'm Ujan and welcome back to another awesome video. Today I'm going to show you how to make an Independence Day special cap. Let's make it. To make it you will need orange, green and white papers, scissors, white glue, cardboard and a blue marker. So first take your cardboard and draw a shape something like this, then cut it out. Now take a white paper and stick the piece on the paper. Let's stick this. Then cut it out with scissors. Done. Now take green and orange paper and stick them something like this. After sticking, turn it and cut the papers. Ta-da! Now draw the Ashok Chakra with the blue pen. Now take another white paper and cut some strips like these. Take two of them and join them with white glue. Add more paper to make it thick. Now take this part and make some cuts here. After that, fold the cuts in the upper side. Take the paper strip and measure it according to your head. Then mark it and stick this. Now take this piece and add glue here. After that, stick the paper strip with this. Take another paper strip and stick here. And finally, your Indian cap is complete. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscribe and tell me in the comments that what should I make next. Also, we are really close to 100 subscribers, so if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe. It's free. Till then, take care everybody and bye bye.